Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the EZVIZ DB2 battery powered video doorbell. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer and no money's exchanged hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular nor to pre-approve this video. I'm just going to share with you my opinion of this product so that you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. As I mentioned earlier, this is the EZVIZ DB2. It's a battery powered video doorbell. It says here professional installation recommended, but it is perfectly viable to install this yourself if you've got a little bit of sort of technical knowledge. There is an EZVIZ app that's available on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store that supports the product, and you're going to use that to both set up the device and also interact with the device as well. It's got 2K image quality, and if we turn the box over, you can see here a picture of the product. It says never miss a knock wherever you are, which is really very true, because with the video doorbell you can interact with the person that's at your front door via the video camera and two-way audio, let them know that you're out and perhaps to leave a parcel in a safe place, or that you'll be back soon, or you're in the garden and you'll be to the front door any moment now. Lots of different ways you can use this, as well as being able to keep an eye on what's happening outside the front of your house for security purposes as well. This is the product box packaging and everything you get, and you get everything you need to get up and running. Before we take a look at the main product, let's take a look at the paperwork and the accessories that are included. You get a quick start guide, you get some additional information here. It's just sort of warranty and regulatory information. You get a sheet here just warning you that this device works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. You also get some details about the smart chime placement, because there is a chime included, and some other products. Actually, there's some other products listed here that are also available from EZVIZ, including some external security cameras, keyless entry with fingerprint and touchpad. There's lots of different products available in the range. Let's take a look at the accessories first of all. So we've got a screwdriver here. It's double-ended, so we've got like a star-shaped one on one end and a crosshead on the other. It's going to be very useful for installing this. We get some additional wires if you need them for your install. We also get a USB charging cable, full-size USB on one end, micro on the other end. We get a little bag with some screws. We get some terminal, I think they're terminal ends these ones are, but you get 3 of these. You also get some wall mounts with wall plugs. And you get these here. These are very useful. So we get some self-adhesive pads. This is going to aid with installation, and also a drill template as well. That drill template you're going to use to mount the backing plate, which in turn you mount the video doorbell to. We get the backing plate that I just mentioned. It's going to be mounted to your wall, and in turn it's going to allow you to mount the doorbell. Then you also get some angled mounts as well. These are very useful, because if you're installing this to the side of your door, maybe on a door frame for example, you might want the doorbell angled inwards so that the video camera that's built in is tilted in the right direction. So you get one that tilts it either to the left or to the right, and one that tilts it either up or down. So 2 different sort of wedge shaped mounts. The chime is super easy to install. If we take a look round on the back here, we have got a 3-pin UK plug. If you're buying this in another country, your one will look slightly different to this. We've got 2 antennas to increase the range. We've also got a micro SD card for retaining the footage locally. We've also got a reset button, and we've also got the sort of speaker grill here for the chime sound to come out of. And it's a really loud chime, very good indeed. Really nicely made, and really like the fact that this has got the local storage micro SD memory card slot on the side. This is the doorbell itself. You can see that the casing is quite large on this one, so you have to be able to accommodate quite a large unit on your front door or on your door frame. We take a look at the side here. We've got the micro USB charging port. This side here just like a little grill. On the underside, what looks like could be a little threaded mount on the bottom there. And if we take a look round on the back, we've got the power on off, little tiny button. We've got some threaded bits here, and then we've got these sort of slots in the side, which is going to work in unison with that mounting plate that I showed you earlier. And if we take a look around the front, we've got the push button to obviously press to start the doorbell going, and that will also start the interaction with you and the person on the other side of the door. The camera is activated, and then you've got a really good view, nice wide angle view of whoever's standing at your front door. You can interact with them, of course. We've got two-way audio here. This is probably going to be the speaker, I think, and then a little pinhole mic on the side. They're going to be able to speak to you. You're going to be able to speak back and either go and answer the door in person, or tell them you'll be there shortly, or tell them to leave a parcel in a safe place. The video quality is extremely good. Very, very nice quality. Still visible at night time, but when those sort of infrared sensors kick in, the video quality does obviously degrade a bit, but it's still perfectly acceptable. Very, very good, in fact. And the audio is nice and clear as well. And the notifications you get sent from this device to your smartphone, to the app, are also really fast. This is a great product, and I think EZVIZ have done a great job on this. This is the DB2 Smart Video Doorbell, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. I'll see you all in another video very, very soon.